Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery or COD on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Settings. Then next is click on Payments. And from here, just scroll down until you get to manual payment methods. Then click on add manual payment method. Then select cash on delivery or COD. From here, just add additional details. So the details you put here will be displayed to customers when and while they're choosing a payment method. Now also add in the payment instructions, and the details you add here will then be displayed to customers after they place an order with this payment method. Then once everything is done, just proceed by clicking on activate or reactivate cash on delivery or COD. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!